Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different anions are given. The P is orthonitrophenol, Q is metanitrophenol, R is paranitrophenol. You have to arrange all these three phenoxide by the basicity. Here answer is interesting. You should know how the basicity is defined. Basicity defined by the conjugated acid. Actually the problem given in the reverse way. So you have to imagine the conjugated acid which is phenol. You have to know which phenol is stronger, ortho, meta and para. Here ortho is weaker because of hydrogen bonding. Then para is stronger because of the high inductive group. Then the meta has less inductive and less position for the mesomeric effect and poorly positioned for the mesomeric effect. So you have to analyze three effects among the three: inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hydrogen bond. So you got to find the acidity, convert into the basicity. So everybody knows by the simple fact meta is the weaker one because of the electronic effects. So the strong base will be meta. Here the concept you have to learn here is the basicity of conjugated acid decides its own basicity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.